Right, here we are with Dinny's lovely Toyota Land Cruiser. We're just going to do the cold start video. So just to show you guys that the engine is cold, I'm just going to put my hand on there. Yep, stone cold. It's a nice cold day, so it's definitely cold. I'm going to give Dinny the thumbs up for me. If we can just start the engine for me, that'd be great. So we can have a listen and I'll have a wander around the back. It's just got a little preheater on it, so allowing the engine just to diesel to warm first before we start. There we go. Just going to have a look around the back. There's no untoward smoke there. As you can see, there was a tiny bit of smoke on start up, but you expect that with a diesel. Just want to see the gauges if we can. Might be a bit dark, but we'll try and see what we can see. Lights there, which is good. As you can see, the temperature gauge is cold as well there, so it just proves that we are doing the cold start. Looks like the ammeter there is charging nicely. We're now going to do an on the road video. Say hello again for the camera, Dinny, please.
Hello.
Hello. And we go down a normal A road at the moment. We're going to go down some little country lanes as well to show you what it's like. Yeah, it's good as on a smooth road. It's good as gold down the steering, isn't it? Cool, lovely. As you can see in here, it will change its gear quite nice. There's no bumps or jolts. I mean, it's obviously a fairly hard ride because that's what it's designed to be for off-road. But
Brand new clutch.
right, as Denny said, I don't know if you heard that there, it's got a brand new clutch in it. So how many miles roughly think that's done?
About 100.
Oh right, so really, really new, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Rebuilt the front and rear axle. Brand new suspension all round.
Just trying to focus on the temperature gauge there. As you can see, it's not doing anything untoward. It's roughly in the middle, maybe just below.
Yeah, she stays just below.
So you said all the brakes have all been redone, so they'll work fine, don't they?
Yeah.
No issue with those. And
No pulling to the side, straight.
Cool.
Perfect.
very short change in it. As you can hear the difference, Dinny ratio now, or low ratio now, so just to show that all works. We pop it back into normal now if you want. There we go, and back into normal ratio there.